Give thanks, let her hold you. Give thanks, whatever from heart. Give thanks, because it's when Jesus Christ gave us song. Give thanks to the grateful. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's living. Jesus Christ gave His Son. Let the weak say I am strong. Let the poor say I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. Just fast, riding with Cincinnati in snow white Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama and daddy with a baby in the backseat. A few months ago when she was running home, afraid of sleep, spinning all her dreams. She had learned her mind, she didn't pay attention, she was going way too fast. Before she knew that she was spinning everything like she was. She's a girl that life stretched before her eyes. She didn't have the time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus takes the way.